This is the only remedy you can take before you visit your girlfriend, before you go to your wife and you function like a horse. Trust me, this home remedy, you take it before you go for bed competition, before someone comes to your place. Trust me, your performance, your stamina, your endurance will be high. You won't finish in 2 minutes. You'll go for hours and hours without stopping. Trust me, my name is Coach Uganda. I am a professional nutritionist. So today I decided to come and tell you one of the best ingredients you can mix at home in order to increase your performance, in order to make your stick stiff and strong, in order to increase or to improve your functioning. If you've been yearning what you can take before someone comes to your place or before you visit your wife, my dear, this home remedy, you like it. First of all, to make it stiff and strong, to increase your endurance, and to make you to feel like a man during bedtime. But before I proceed, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, my dear, subscribe right now. And I always tell you, subscribing is for free of charge. So feel free to subscribe. Feel free to invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. So if you're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. And I always tell you, you can join my membership to get extra services. Go to my channel, this channel right now, click the word join. There is starter, there is silver and gold. So if you join my membership, you'll get extra services in order to benefit from my presence. Okay, so this home remedy doesn't have overdose, doesn't have side effects, and trust me, it will give you maximum performance. So if you've been going for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you've been looking for the remedy you can take before someone comes to a place or before you visit your wife, my dear, this home remedy will make it perfect. You'll go for hours and hours. My dear, you'll function like a horse. First of all, you need chia seeds. I told you chia seeds are easy to get. You can visit your supermarkets, nearby shop, local markets, and buy yourself chia seeds, guys. But before I proceed, I always tell you, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, for such amazing videos, visit my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and subscribe for more. So remember, these videos, I always upload them on my YouTube channel. So go to YouTube and subscribe. Subscribing is for free of charge. So from that, just get for me chia seeds. Okay, we need chia seeds. Only 1 tablespoon is enough. Okay, guys, trust me, this home remedy, you like it, and trust me, it will give you nice results, real results, if you follow the procedures carefully. Because some members, you don't follow the procedures and you don't follow my words. So follow the procedures and also my words. Trust me, you won't remain the same when you do what I'm doing right now. Now from that, get for me hot boiled water. Okay, you just need here hot boiled water. In fact, you're going to measure that hot boiled water. We need just 1 glass. Okay, so this is our glass. You measure here your hot boiled water. As you see, this is enough. 1 glass is enough. Then from that, bring here your hot boiled water in the container which contains your chia seeds. Okay, very good. So make sure that you mix before. From that, you're going to keep your chia seeds somewhere here because we need other ingredients to proceed with this home remedy right now. Okay, next we need coffee powder. I always recommend you to use Nescafe, is the best one. So get for me Nescafe, coffee powder. We need again 1 glass. This is our glass. So you're going to put here only 1 tablespoon of Nescafe. Okay, as you see, 1 tablespoon of Nescafe, guys. So bring 1 tablespoon of Nescafe coffee powder. So guys, I'm requesting you, please leave a comment in the comment section, and of course it would be nice when you tell us the name of your country in the comment section. And of course, we always tell you sharing the video is good. So share this video with your friends, different social media platforms, so that they can get a chance to get to know how to make such amazing remedy at home. Remember, these videos are for free of charge. So subscribe, leave a comment, invite your friends to this YouTube channel. Easy Tips 256 as usual. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? I want you to get for me 1 egg. In this egg, we need egg yolk. Okay? We need egg yolk. It means you have to get raw cooked egg. The egg which is not cooked. So we need egg yolk from this egg. So get for me egg yolk. This is egg fruit, you bring it here, but we need egg yolk, as I told you. This is amazing remedy, no side effects, no overdose. Trust me, if you don't last long in bed, you go for 2 minutes in bed, you like to bring back your good performance, your joystick is always weak during bedtime, this home remedy will make it stiff and strong. Trust me, on that day, her happiness will be back. Just because you don't know how to make it. So if you're after learning how to make such amazing remedy, try it at home. Okay, so this is our egg yolk. As you see, here is egg fruit. So we need only egg yolk, guys. So bring your egg yolk here. So if you're yearning for manpower, you don't last long in bed, your joystick is always weak, you go for 2 minutes, you don't come back for the second round, this one remedy will help you to bring it back. First round you go for 10 minutes, second round you go for more than 45 minutes, and third round you don't finish. So you just need to follow the ingredients which I'm mixing right now, and you practice these remedies which I upload on my channel at home. Trust me, you won't remain the same. This remedy, it works immediately. It means you take it when your partner is coming, or when you are visiting your girlfriend or your wife. Okay, doesn't matter who comes, but you take it before. Trust me. So as you see, this is here coffee and an egg. So make sure that you mix very well. Make sure that you mix very well. Okay, try to mix very well, guys. So I want you to get for me lemon. As you see, it can be yellow in color or it can be green in color, but get for me 1 lemon, guys. Okay, we need just lemon juice. So cut it into 2 pieces and bring your lemon juice here, guys. As you see what I'm doing, put it here. Okay, put it here, guys. Trust me, this is amazing remedy to help you to function like a horse during bedtime. You'll go for more than 45 minutes in the second round, then third round you won't finish. So if you have a sure win, yes, just take it before someone comes to your place. Trust me, you won't remain the same, guys. This is amazing, powerful home remedy. Okay, from that, mix again. Don't forget, mix again from that. And mix again. Very well. So as you see, we have this one, and we have our chia seeds with hot water. So from that, you're going to bring this into this. As you see, here is our chia seeds and hot water. Then you're going to bring this. Okay, you bring it here. As you see, bring it here, guys. Very interesting home remedy, very powerful home remedy, guys. Trust me, you like it. Performance good. So make sure that you mix your recipe, mix it very well. As you see, guys, this works immediately. So it means when you take it, you expect maximum results. You expect maximum performance. So just follow my procedures right now. Now, after mixing for some time, we are going to filter your home remedy. Okay, so we need to filter our home remedy. So get another container and make sure that you filter very well. So here you go. If you go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, this you need it, guys. Trust me, it will work for you. Trust me, your performance will be back on that time. This works immediately. This you don't need it to take every day, so you take it when someone's coming to your place. Okay, so do it the same, guys. Filter very well. Yes. So get for me natural honey. You want to add only 1 spoon to our remedy. Okay, only 1 spoon to our remedy. So you need only 1 spoon of natural honey. Bring it here. Very good. Don't forget to mix again your remedy. But before I proceed, please guys, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section to tell us the name of your country, and of course you can join my membership. We have starter, silver, and diamond and gold. So you can join through silver and gold and you get extra benefits, extra services from Coach Uganda. Okay, so you can join my membership. Go visit my YouTube channel. There is a word join. Click on it. Subscribe for membership, silver, starter, or gold, and you get extra services. Oh. So here you go, guys. Very interesting, powerful, and it works. Trust me. So just watch the video from the beginning up the end, and at the end I'll tell you when to take it. Yes, after knowing the procedures. Now this is our home remedy which I've made right now, and I think you have known how to make it at home. Very easy to make it at home. And guys, I always tell you, such ingredients you get them from your kitchen, so you can buy them, keep it in your fridge, whereby you can make it at any time you feel like. Okay, if you have a sure win, just make this home remedy at home faster. Take it, keep quiet, then function like a horse. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? I always tell you, subscribing, liking the video, commenting to be always nice for me, and it will be nice for me to know where I come from. So before I proceed, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips to 56. And I always, there is membership program. This is my YouTube channel, this channel right now. There is the word join. Click on it, you'll find starter, silver, and gold. Join my membership and get extra services. Trust me, you like my services privately. So go and join my membership program and enjoy my services from Coach Uganda, me myself. So this home remedy, no overdose, no side effects. When you take it, expect maximum results. Expect to function like a horse. Expect not to disappoint yourself. So take it before someone comes. But before I tell you when, let me first take it at least a bit. Then I tell you when you can take it, how many minutes you can take it before she comes to your place. Tastes good? Really, you like it? Trust me, you'll function like a horse. Trust me, you like my presence. This amazing home remedy, you'll be like a champion in bed. Trust me, it works immediately. Then I want you to take it 15 minutes before someone comes to your place. Before you visit her, take it 15 minutes before. This will make you to be a real man in bed. Make you to feel like you're a man in bed. So if you go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes in bed, you need just one glass before she comes or before you visit her.